up. I put the cart before the horse. I designed this channel to help people navigate the online world and discuss ways to make money online through affiliate marketing, but I didn't even explain what affiliate marketing is or who I am. Okay, so my name is Terry Worsfold. I'm an ex-advertising agency and publisher, executive and consultant. Well, what does that mean? That means I sold advertising campaigns to global brands to increase their ROI, which means return on investment. You need to remember that. I've also run my own advertising agency, travel agency, media content agency, all of which I generated an income online through paid advertising. And I've also built some social media accounts and some free traffic methods, which I've also used to make money online. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a very simple concept. You promote someone's product or service. In return, they pay you a commission for any sale or lead that you generate. Pretty sweet, huh? So you don't need to own the product, deal with the customer, process refunds, organize shipping, or any of that stuff. You generate leads or sales and you get paid. So we sell a product or a service, we'll get paid a commission. Now the idea with advertising is to make more back than you put in. And generally a rule of thumb is you aim for a 20% return on investment. So you put $1 in, you get $1.20 back. You put $10 in, you get $12 back. You put $100 in, you get $120 back. I could do this all day, but you get the idea. But wait, before you go off throwing money at Facebook, Google, or any other paid platform, let's delve a little deeper, because there are various ways to do affiliate marketing, and this is where it gets scary, because you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose a lot of money. And I've done both. Affiliate marketing really has three elements. 1, the offer, what you're promoting. 2, the audience, who you're promoting it to. 3, the traffic, which portion of that audience goes to the offer. So offers, where do we find the offers? You can find hundreds of thousands of offers online, but not all offers are created equal. Some pay per lead, some pay per sale, some are revenue share, some are fixed fee, but we'll go into that stuff a little later on. So there is Share a Sale, ClickBank, Amazon Associates, Commission Junction, which has been rebranded to JV Zoo, JV stands for joint venture, and Max Bounty. There's 5 that you could go and look at today and start trying to promote some offers if you really want to. 2, the audience. So where do we find the audience? Okay, so I'll touch on this and traffic at the same time. There's really 2 ways you can build an audience: free traffic and paid traffic. For example, you might have a large Instagram page, Facebook following, a large TikTok group, email list, website, which you could in theory show a product to this audience, have them buy it and get paid a commission. But if you promote the wrong product to the wrong audience, you'll lose your credibility and go back to square one. Paid traffic. This is where it can get expensive. If you buy Google ads, Facebook ads, or you pay someone to send your offer to their list and it doesn't convert, you're gonna lose money. This is where we get into practices like optimization and targeting. Once again, if you target the wrong audience with the wrong offer, you're gonna lose. But if you dial in the right targeting with the right offer with the right audience, it's not uncommon to make 200, 300, 400, 500% ROI, return on investment, overnight. But disclaimer, this is not financial advice. Do your own research before you start spending money on this stuff. Or test with a very small budget that you don't mind losing in case things don't work out the first time, which they most likely won't. Now, in most scenarios, you're gonna need a landing page builder, sales funnel builder, a way to capture emails, and then a way to follow up via email as well. This is a tried and true method that still works today. So just to go a little deeper on that, this is the marketing suite that I use, which has landing page builders, funnel builders, it's got email autoresponder, custom emails. This is an absolutely amazing marketing suite here. You can connect up your own domains, you can buy domains through them. It really does everything. Mainly email marketing and funnel building is what I'm using it for, but you could also build your own password protected e-learning center, which is where you can host your own private content. You can charge a fee for people to join, or you can allow access to certain people or restrict access, these types of things, which is a really good feature. Integrates with WordPress, WooCommerce. You can have bookings for your diary in here as well. Yeah, it's a really great piece of technology. So let's go through and have a look at a setup that I've got here. So we'll go through the Cheetah website builder. So this is a drag and drop website builder. Very user friendly, very easy to set up, and you can share whole funnels or web pages or whole campaigns that have email sequences built into them as well, which is a really good feature. So I'll show you this one that I'm working on promoting at the moment, which helps promote Builderall, which helps build that email list, which you can import directly into your account, which has email swipes, and everything's tagged up and ready to send. So all we need to do is drive the traffic to it. You can do that through free methods or paid methods, depending on what you're more comfortable with and what your budgets are. Bearing in mind, this is just an example. So this is called Rapid Profit Machine. So if we go to the website, it's very, very simple. So this is obviously a make money online approach. to get people who are looking to build an extra income, side hustle, or transition out of the 9 to 5. And this is all imported directly into the account. All people need to do is input their email and they'll get instant access to the course. They'll go through a funnel which has video-led content showing them how to set up Builderall and how it can make tens of thousands of dollars as well. And they'll also be added to an email list. So if we have a look at the email list, which is imported directly into the accounts, this one, RPM 2.0, and it's just as simple as a click of a button. And you've got 14 days. If you wanted to look at this and trial it, you can get a 14-day free trial with the link in my description. So this is what the emails look like. These are pre-written, they're high converting, they import directly into your account. I think it's over 15 days as well. So this is to develop a bit of engagement with the list as soon as it lands in the inbox, and this will help the delivery as well once they respond to something like this. So this is all set up for you in the account. Or you can build your own sequence as well. Let's say you've got a plumbing business and you wanted to do a weekly email blast just with, you know, some updates on the industry or some things that people should be looking for around their home. If you need someone to come out and give you a free quote, email back, or 50% off, things like that, will usually get some engagement. So all of these can be set up within your account. It's really simple. And this is one form of affiliate marketing. So this is promoting the Builderall platform in the back end via email follow-ups, which drives people through to the web page, gives them a lot of value. They get a free course. So once they go through this funnel, if they do decide to take up a subscription, we'll get access to this back end, which is all about affiliate marketing, how to start, how to drive traffic. This is how you'd import all of the funnels and the email swipes that I just showed you. Builderall has many other uses. This is what I'm focusing on promoting at the moment. It's a really good affiliate program within an affiliate program, put together by James Neville Taylor, who's the #1 affiliate for Builderall. I think he makes about $50,000 a month. So it's worth checking out. Once again, link is in the description. Just go through the funnel, hear his story, how it can help you. This is all the sorts of training that's in here. So you've got affiliate marketing basics, Facebook marketing, solo ads, which is email ads, email marketing, ninja life hacks. And then there's some other pieces of valuable information that are in the back end here. But that's going to be the intro to affiliate marketing for the time being. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to find some other affiliate programs that are new that you can market to from email, how to drive traffic so that you can capture emails so that you can then promote to them in the back end. So make sure that you like, subscribe, ring the bell so you get notifications when I upload anything new. I'm sure that there'll be something valuable if you're very new to the affiliate marketing industry or marketing and online marketing in general. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.